Welcome back. This is the train channel. We have an OC&T's freight train coming. Let's check it out. I got that optimizer tanker earlier, and we got that again, right? On the second tanker. I got that in the second tanker earlier, a couple videos, but now I got the same optimizer tanker in this one too. There's the ad. That's a short one. Let's get these couple trucks go by first. Pickups, Symbol is OC&T Alco 75. This train originates to Titusville, or to East Titusville, Pennsylvania. And terminates to Titusville, Pennsylvania, where we are at right now, where it terminates, all on this Monday, July 31st, 2023, from Jeffrey the Train Experts on YouTube. Just going passing Jack, the one of the two conductors here at the OC&T, just had so. Alright, that's gonna be it. We'll be back on with the next freight train at Save-A-Lot. Talk to you later.